My name is Aaron Hayes. I'm the Senior Software Architect for Premium Retail Services. We provide third-party labor services to different suppliers and different electronic makers across the country and in Canada. Currently, we analyze things like how often we have to go inside stores, when we went there, and be able to provide data on where we need to go next and how often we need to service the different products for our different clients. I'm using the Amazon Echo to provide a kind of high-level, very summarized view of very particular dashboards for our clients every morning. So I'll usually come in the office, ask the Amazon Echo certain questions about certain dashboards, and be able to have a more high-level view of information about certain things that we care about. And then the Sisense chatbot I use to kind of get a more filtered view of some of the data. Rather than using a desktop browser-based dashboard, I'll go into the chatbot and actually ask questions through chat, and it seems to work pretty well so far. I'll ask the device things like, what are our issues in the field? What are issues for the week or for the month and year? I'll ask different questions surrounding mainly our effectiveness in the field and what kind of service we're providing our customers and at what level. So the Amazon Echo does a really great job of providing that information really quickly. I think the biggest difference is that with a typical dashboard, you have to really filter, and there's a lot more work involved in trying to get to the data you want. And with using a voice-controlled system with either the Amazon Echo or even with the chatbots, so it's a lot faster to get to the data you need to be able to answer a question from your client or from the business faster. Since I have started using the Sisense Echo, I've been able to have a lot more data at my fingertips, especially in the morning. And so there was actually a meeting I was in where somebody had asked our data analyst team to run a report, and rather than the data team having to go back and run that report, I was able to actually answer their question because I already knew the answer, because I already asked my platform about that data before the meeting. And so that was kind of a turning point for me on how much more we need to use that. I can imagine using in the future, applying it to more of our displays in the field and being able to have our electronics diagnose themselves so that we can have a much smarter visit when we go inside of our stores. I would never want to give up using these devices anymore. They're like family now. So they're part of our ecosystem now. So we would not want to give any of that up.